How to use Life360 application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to setting up and navigating the Life360 application on iOS and Android devices. So I'm going to show you how to create circles, share locations, set up places, and use key safety features. You can do it on Android and iOS both. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So first of all, you're going to head over to the App Store or the Google Play Store, go to the search bar and type in Life360. And then this is the application that you need, so simply download it. And once you have installed it, head over, click on open, and you will be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to click on get started, and here you're going to type down your phone number. After phone number, you're going to type down your email address. And after that, simply click on continue. Then they're going to send a code on that email address that you just input. So simply type that code down over here. After that, you're going to tell your first name and last name. So I'm going to type that down over here and then click on continue. And here you're going to click on continue once again. So it says joining a circle, enter your invite code. So for example, if any person from your friend circle or your family circle, if anyone has already created it and you wish to join their circle, you're going to input their code over here. However, if you're the first person, you're going to click on get started at the bottom. Now it says, what would you like to start with? You can always add more later. Add people, such as invite friends, family, or others to a new circle. Add a title, such as activate your title to track your keys, wallet, and other belongings. So you can select any of these. So I'm going to head over, click on add people. And here you're going to give your circle a name, such as you can give it the name and followed by the family. Click on continue. And here, this is basically the invite code. So previously, there was a code option if you saw that you had to input a code. So any other person who wished to register into Life360 application would have typed down this code on their application so that they can join your circle. So you're going to share code to your friends, family, and click on I'm done sharing. Now, how would you describe your role in the circle, whether you're mom, dad, son, daughter, child, grandparent, partner or spouse, friend or other? So I'm going to click on son, daughter or child. And here you get to add your photo for better navigation. Upload the photo or just click on skip. And here it says Life360 requires these permissions to work properly. Your location, push notifications, motion sensors, and Bluetooth. You're going to give them permission. And you could allow once, allow while using application. So you'll be redirected to an interface like this. It says unlock 30 days of location history. You can either get the premium feature of this or you can simply start your free trial. So you can see it's basically cheap and you'll get 7 days for free for the first one. So simply click on cross and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So over here, you'll be able to see all of the people that are in your circle. I don't have any person right now, but if you do have, you'll be able to view them over here, or you can add a new person by clicking on add a person. And you can also add items such as key, wallets, and more, and you can also manage places over here. Click on driving and you'll be able to see the drives detected, the safety, such as crash alerts, etc., and also the membership. So now I'm going to show you how you can, just enable some settings. So you can click on this gear icon at the top left, and over here you'll be able to see circle management. So you can edit your circle name from here, and you can also change your role over here from like daughter, son, child to mom, dad, grandparent, partner, spouse. And you can also add circle members by sending them this code, and you can set bubble access, and you can also leave circle if you want to, and go back, and there are numerous other settings such as we have location sharing if you wish to enable your location or not. If you don't want the people in your circle to know about your location, you can simply toggle this off. And then we have smart notifications, we have drive detection, and then we have the flight detection if someone is going on a flight. We have refer friends, So you can simply, click on refer friends and join their referral program. So yeah, that is basically how you can use a Life 360 application for beginners. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.